Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can close or delete your account permanently on Bluesky in 2025. So let us guide you through this. So head over to the Bluesky web application, make sure that you're logged into your account, and what you will need to do guys is click into settings here on the left panel, and inside your settings navigate to, let me find it really quickly, to account, and here under account click into delete account, not deactivate, because that will only temporarily deactivate your account, but basically save all of your published posts, media content, and so on and so forth, as well as your chat history. So if you'd like to delete your account entirely with all associated data guys, here you will be able to do it by clicking into delete account. You may also export your data if you'd like to save them on your device before you delete it. And after that, they will send you a confirmation code to your email address guys after you click into that button, and you will need to follow these instructions afterwards and enter the confirmation code you received through the email to the associated email address here, and also a password. And only if you do that and enter these correctly guys, you will be able to delete your account by confirming it here on that button. So that's how you do it in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.